Do you have big dreams, but find yourself sitting on the couch? Do you imagine a successful life, but when it's time to work, you say, I'll do it tomorrow? If you feel ambitious but lazy, you're in a dangerous place. This story will show you why. Meet Amir. He was young, healthy, and had the biggest dreams in his village. He told everyone, one day, I will be the richest farmer. My fields will be full of gold. But Amir had a secret enemy, laziness. While other farmers woke up at dawn, Amir stayed in bed. While others worked in the sun, Amir sat in the shade, talking about his future success. He loved the idea of winning, but he hated the work of winning. One day, his wise uncle gave him 2 seeds. The first seed is ambition, the uncle said. If you water it every day, it will bring you wealth and respect. The second seed is laziness. It grows very fast, but it is a weed. It will spread and destroy everything you love. Amir planted both, but he didn't care for them. Weeks later, he went to his field and was shocked. The laziness seed had taken over. Thick, ugly weeds covered everything. But the ambition seed, it was small, dry, and dying. His uncle said, Amir, ambition is weak without effort. Laziness grows on its own, but it steals your future. Amir realized the truth. Dreams are not enough. Only action keeps them alive. He didn't wait for tomorrow anymore. He woke up early. He pulled the weeds until his hands bled. He watered his ambition daily. Slowly, the dying seed grew into a giant tree that gave him the life he always wanted. You have these same 2 seeds inside you right now. Ambition needs your sweat and your discipline every single day. If you do nothing, the weeds of laziness will grow automatically and choke your dreams. Stop waiting for the perfect time. Stop saying tomorrow. Water your ambition today. Pull out the weeds of your excuses. If you don't fight your laziness now, it will own you forever.